Hello students, let us move on to one more topic, that is finding the Laurent series expansion of a function. I have written here one problem. Observe the problem. Find Laurent series expansion of the function f of z equal to z square minus 1 by z plus 2 z plus 3 when 2 is less than mod z less than 3. Observe that whenever you expand the Laurent series expansion, you are expanding the function within the two circles. Observe the region. The region is 2 less than mod z less than 3. That means it is a circle with center at z equal to 0. This is the circle, center at z equal to 0 with the minimum radius as 2, maximum radius as 3. So this radius is nothing but 2 and maximum radius is nothing but 3. So within this ring is nothing but the part between the two circles. Within this ring, you want to expand the function in the form of Laurent series expansion. Observe that in the Laurent series, there will be the positive powers as well as negative powers of the function. Observe the function now. Given function is f of z equal to z square minus 1 into divided by z plus 2, z plus 3, which is z square minus 1, multiplying the two brackets z square plus 5z plus 6. Observe here the degree of numerator and degree of denominator both are same. So I will adjust the numerator likely z square plus 5z plus 6. I have added the denominator terms here plus 5z plus 6. Same way I will subtract it so that no change in the original function. Minus 5z minus 6 minus 1. The denominator value will be as it is. Now I will consider z square plus 5z plus 6 as one function. So I have separated it, written as z square plus 5z plus 6 divided by z square plus 5z plus 6. Minus sign taken out common, remaining term 5z minus 6 minus 1, it is actually nothing but minus 7, minus common here. So plus 7 by z square plus 5z plus 6. Same term divided by same term, so the value will be 1 minus 5z plus 7 by z square plus 5z plus 6. I have written again in terms of z plus 2, z plus 3. Now these are the linear factors. For the linear factors, I have written here the value z plus 2. I will separate the denominators. This is z plus 2, z plus 3. Observe that this denominator will be 0 if I put z value as minus 2. So, except this function, observe that this function is z plus 2. Except this function, within all remaining function, I will be substituting z value as equal to minus 2. So, the function will be 5 into minus 2 plus 7 by, this is minus 2 plus 3. Same written here, divided by z plus 2. Same as in the case, if it is z plus 3, this factor will be 0 if I put z value as minus 3. So again, I will consider z plus 3 will be written here, hide this factor. Remaining factor, you substitute z value as minus 3. So the term will be 5 minus 3 plus 7 by minus 3 plus 2. So by finding the numerator denominator term, so this is 1 minus 3 by z plus 2 plus minus 8 minus 1 by z plus 3, that is 1 minus it will be plus 3 by z plus 2 minus 8 by z plus 3. So now I will go for expansion of the function as Laurent series expansion. Observe the given region. I will write given region is 2 is less than mod z less than 3. Consider this part. If 2 is less than mod z, which means that I can write 2 by mod z to be less than 1. And if I consider the next part mod z to be less than 3, I can write mod z by 3 to be less than 1. Observe that in the Laurent series, you must find an inequality which is less than one value. Okay, you have to adjust the terms such that the inequality is less than 1. Now, observe your function, your f of z, I will write f of z, it is equal to 1 plus 3 by z plus 2 minus 8 by z plus 3, which is 1 plus 3 by. Observe this value, denominator is z plus 2. Z plus 2, we know that 2 by z. 2 by z, this term is less than 1. So from this denominator, I will take out z common. So remaining term will be 1 plus 2 by z minus 8 by. We know that mod z by 3, this term is less than 1. So I will take out 3 common here. Remaining term will be z by 3 plus 1. Rearrange the terms. So I will write this as 1 plus 3 by z, 1 by 1 plus 2 by z minus 8 by 3, 1 by 1 plus z by 3, which is 1 plus 3 by z. Now I will expand this function, which is 1 by 1 plus z. So the alternating series will be 1 minus 2 by z plus 2 by z whole square minus 2 by z whole cube plus so on up to infinity, minus 8 by 3 into in bracket. This term I will expand 1 minus z by 3 plus z by 3 whole square minus z by 3 whole cube plus so on up to infinity. Now I will simplify the term. Which is 1 plus 3 by 2 is multiplied here. 3 by 2. 3 by z. 3 by z minus 6 by z square plus, this is 4 into 3, 12 by z square into z, that is z cube. This will be continued, so on. Go for the remaining term, minus 8 by 3. Minus 8 by 3 minus z by 3. So plus 8z by 3. Then minus, so on, it will be continued. Observe that this is an infinite series. If I simplify again, 1 minus 8 by 3, these are the constants. By adding the constants, I will get the value minus 5 by 3. This is by z term, so I will write plus 3 by z minus 6 by z square plus 12 by z cube minus so on up to infinity, plus 8 by z, 8z by 3 minus